Have you ever wondered how the biggest companies started? They often began with a simple idea. Picture a one-person operation solving one small problem. Today, let's explore 10 tiny businesses that could grow into something incredible. Big companies don't always start big. They start by solving a problem. Our focus today is on scalability. A small business can grow by meeting real needs and developing efficient systems. The first factor is real demand. People must need what you're offering. Second, loyal customers encourage repeated purchases. Next, strong profit margins allow for reinvestment. Fourth, operations must be repeatable to avoid manual tasks. Lastly, an expandable market allows growth to new customers or locations. Let's dive into our first business, a specialized business automation service. Imagine an entrepreneur helping local businesses automate tedious tasks. For instance, organizing customer inquiries. By standardizing this process, it could evolve from a personal service to a software solution. This model could grow, but challenges include tech changes and customer privacy concerns. Next is niche digital products. A creator can design industry-specific spreadsheets or templates. Instead of a generic spreadsheet, think of one tailored for small clothing stores. This focused approach makes it easier to convey value. While selling the product is the goal, marketing it effectively remains crucial. Our third idea is a local service that expands into a multi-location brand. A small operation in one neighborhood can scale with procedures in place. Each successful hire can maintain service consistency. Key factors include training, customer service, and effective local marketing. Now onto micro-consulting. Consultants start by specializing in one niche, like sales improvement. After establishing credibility, they can train others to deliver their services. Over time, this model can develop into a reputable consulting firm. Fifth is a niche e-commerce brand. An online store doesn't need endless products. Focusing on one category creates loyalty. The founder learns customer preferences to gradually expand offerings, making it essential to build a credible brand. Next, a niche newsletter serves as a filtering service in an information-rich world. This model begins with research and curation, growing an audience over time. Monetization could come from various sources, like subscriptions and sponsorships. The seventh idea is a specialized content studio. Operating alone, a founder can carve out a niche, like producing educational videos. With processes and templates in place, the studio can expand to serve multiple clients. Our eighth idea is a small software tool. Instead of creating a giant app, why not solve one specific problem? A simple tool could cater to specific industries. With customer feedback, it can adapt, but the founder must navigate development costs and competition. The ninth business is a specialized education platform. Beginning with a live workshop can lead to an entire online learning community. With useful outcomes, this model could potentially grow into a comprehensive education brand. Finally, consider a productized service. This model packages customized offerings into clear, repeatable processes. For instance, instead of saying, "We do marketing," specify, "We manage 12 videos monthly for local businesses." This clarity leads to predictable scaling. To summarize, these 10 businesses share common traits. They solve small problems for specific customers with repeatable solutions. It's not about big tech or funding, but the ability to create consistent value. So, don't overlook small beginnings. A one-person business can discover what customers want and devise processes that support bigger growth. Your success starts with one customer, one solution, and the question, can this scale? Think about it. You might not need a huge idea. Just solve a small problem better than everyone else and watch how it grows. This is Finance Flow. Subscribe for more ideas on business and money strategies. The 10th and final business idea revolves around creating a subscription box service. This model begins with curating products that cater to a specific interest group, like fitness enthusiasts or eco-conscious consumers. By focusing on quality and novelty, the service not only retains subscribers but also encourages them to share their experience, expanding the customer base through word of mouth. Consistent engagement with subscribers ensures their needs are met, paving the way for gradual bigger investments in marketing and product variety. As we wrap up our exploration of these 10 innovative business ideas, remember that success often hinges on the simplicity of your approach. Each model underscores the importance of understanding your audience and adapting to their needs. Small beginnings can lead to remarkable journeys when fueled by creativity, dedication, and strategic thinking. Embrace the challenges, celebrate the wins, and stay focused on how your unique solution can evolve with your customer base. No matter the scale, the heart of your business should always be about delivering value consistently. As we conclude, let's reflect on the potential transformative journey of these small ideas. Much like a seed, they require attention, care, and time to blossom into something significant. By cultivating a strong foundation built on customer needs and innovative solutions, you hold the power to embark on an entrepreneurial adventure that could transcend your initial vision. Remember, every great company started somewhere, often with a singular aim to make life a little better. Always ask yourself how you can adapt and grow alongside your customers. Your next step toward success begins today. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of business possibilities. As we reflect on these remarkable insights, we find that the entrepreneurial landscape is filled with untapped opportunities waiting for those willing to take the plunge. The key lies in recognizing that success isn't always tied to sweeping innovations but often emerges from humble, dedicated efforts to address the needs around us. As you embark on your journey, keep in mind the lessons learned from these small business concepts, and remember to stay adaptable and responsive to your market's evolution. Whether you're starting a subscription box or a specialized service, prioritize genuine engagement and value creation, and watch how your passion can transform your initial vision into a thriving endeavor. Ultimately, the heart of any successful business is built on a commitment to persistently enhancing the lives of your customers. So, go ahead, take that first step, and let your ideas flourish. As you consider these different business models, remember that the journey requires patience and resilience. Each idea, while seemingly simple, holds immense potential when executed thoughtfully. By listening to your customers and learning from their feedback, you can pivot and refine your offerings, ensuring they truly meet the evolving demands of the market. Moreover, collaboration and networking can bolster your efforts, providing valuable insights and support as you build your brand. So take that initial leap with confidence, knowing that every step forward is a part of your larger entrepreneurial story. In closing, the essence of entrepreneurship lies in the blend of creativity and the willingness to embrace small starts. Whether through innovative service models or niche offerings, remember that every significant venture begins with a simple step toward understanding and solving real problems. So, seize the opportunity that these ideas present, stay committed to your vision, and watch as your entrepreneurial journey unfolds. Thank you for exploring these business concepts with us, and may your aspirations for success lead you to new heights in your ventures. As you embark on this exciting journey, always keep the lessons from these innovative ideas close at heart. Start small, listen to your customers, and build a foundation of value that allows for growth and transformation. Each step taken today is a building block toward a future where your business thrives and evolves, resonating with the needs of your market. Remember, the path to success is paved not merely with ambition but with a genuine commitment to enriching the lives of those you serve. Embrace the adventure, and let your creativity guide the way. Each of these ideas serves as a reminder that success doesn't come from chasing grand ambitions alone. It begins with the willingness to solve everyday problems faced by individuals or communities. The lessons you've gleaned today can inspire you to recognize the potential surrounding you, igniting a passion for innovation and problem solving. So whether you're working on a subscription box or consulting service, remain committed to understanding your audience deeply. Your entrepreneurial journey can lead to meaningful change, rooted in the simple yet powerful act of listening, adapting, and providing real value. Your next big idea might just be one thoughtful step away. Exploring these ideas emphasizes that every great business journey starts with understanding customer needs and crafting solutions. In summary, every entrepreneurial venture begins with a spark of creativity and the determination to solve a problem, proving that greatness often arises from modest origins. So, embrace this journey with passion, commitment, and an unwavering focus on your customers, and watch as your idea transforms into something extraordinary.